Welcome to the Amazingly Fit and Healthy YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the top 5 cardio machines for weight loss that you can purchase. Let's get started. But before we get into today's video, I want you to do me a favor. Are you ready? Smash that subscribe button and press the notification bell. That way you will never ever miss an upload from this channel. This video has timestamps, so feel free to skip to the part you want to listen to. What is the best way one can lose weight? Well, I won't keep you guessing for too long. It's by cardio exercises. Cardio workouts raises the heart rate and it is a great way to burn a lot of fat. What I love about cardio is the wide range of ways you can lose weight without it being boring. I mean, who says that exercising has to be boring, right? You can swim, jog or run, walk, climb, cycle, and much more. Whichever you choose, make sure you are having fun while doing it. Let's take a look at the benefits of cardio exercises. And we know that there are plenty of benefits, but just let us name a few. So first, it lowers the blood pressure. It helps you sleep better at night, keeps your muscle strength as you age, reduces the rate of heart disease, keep arteries clear, and there are more benefits. There are also benefits of having at least one cardio machine in your home. For those who live in countries where there are 4 seasons can definitely benefit from having a cardio machine in their home, especially during the winter season. And for those people who live in countries where there are only 2 seasons, that is the wet and dry season, can also benefit, especially when it gets rainy. So whichever country you're living in, wouldn't you like the idea of having your own workout equipment? I mean, think about it. You don't have to worry about paying gym fees, touching other people's sweat after they use the equipment, or about safety. So now we're going to look at the top 5 cardio machines for your home. Some persons may ask which cardio or exercise equipment I should purchase. Well, it depends on what you are trying to achieve. So don't worry, I list a few cardio machines with their pros and cons. This will help you make the decision that best suits you. And also in this video, I will include HIIT workouts that you can try with each cardio machine as well. So the first machine we are going to look at are treadmills. Treadmills allow you to walk and run without stepping outside. So it is one of the most effective ways to burn calories. Now, a treadmill may never be able to replace running outside, but it still has its advantages. And what I love is that you can increase the incline and change the speed of it. So now let us look at the pros and cons. So one pro is that regardless of the weather, a treadmill in your home is convenient. And one con is you may need the help of a professional to help maintain the equipment. So if you need more pros and cons, then you can click the link in the description below to get more pros and cons on this particular equipment. What I have here on the screen is a treadmill HIIT workout that you can try. If you have one already or if you're planning to purchase a treadmill, then you can try this HIIT workout. So next we have is the elliptical. This machine works both the upper and lower body. Therefore, you are burning more calories. Let's now look at the pro. One pro is low impact machine. It's easy on the joints. We have one con. The elliptical machine can be very expensive. So on the screen again, you have a HIIT workout that can go along with this machine. So feel free to try. Next we have the rowing machines. Now this is another great way to lose calories and it is a must-have in your home gym. So rowing machines imitate the rowing action as a boat on the sea or river. So you will get the same resistance as if you were rowing on actual water. Now, I don't know about you, but I like the sound of this. We have up next is the upright stationary bike. So riding an upright stationary bike is a great way to exercise, especially if you want to strengthen your muscles. This is a perfect way of improving your cardiovascular agility. So experts have said that this also strengthens your heart and lungs. Experts also said that this strengthens your heart and lungs. So one of the best features of this exercise equipment is that you can increase or decrease the intensity of the workout, which would make it more efficient. So let's look at the one pro for this one. They can be cheaper compared to other cardio equipment. If you want more pros and cons, feel free to click the link in the description below. One con is if you're an athlete who's training, an upright stationary bike will not be the best option, simply because it can never replace outdoor cycling, which will give you more of a challenge of wind resistance. Yes, you'll be able to adjust the intensity of the bike, but the wind factor or the wind resistance wouldn't be there. And finally, we have recumbent bike. So these bikes resemble a chair with pedals in front of it. These tend to be more comfortable due to the reclined position and back support. Sounding good already. So many enjoy this feature because while working out, you can watch your favorite TV show or movie. Recumbent bikes allows you to relax the upper body while you engage the lower body. One pro is it is excellent for seniors and persons with neurological conditions. So it is good for everybody. And one con is they take up more space. So if you don't have a lot of space, then maybe this is not the best option for you. Again, here is a HIIT workout that goes well with this type of equipment. Now we're going to look at tips for purchasing cardio machines for your home. So before you purchase any home gym equipment, you should first consider your goals. What are you trying to achieve? Then you have to answer yourself this question: do I have enough space for any gym equipment? And you don't want to waste money. Hence, it's very important that you read the reviews of another person's experience with that machine. If you live in an area where you can run outside, then consider purchasing an elliptical or a stationary bike. And remember, always check the warranty before purchasing it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye-bye.